In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Tableau dashboard with filters across sheets. Whether you're new to Tableau or looking to enhance your data visualization skills, it's an excellent way to consolidate your data into one visual space while maintaining the ability to filter data across multiple worksheets. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to open the Tableau public app. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to visualize your data creatively and effectively. Once you've launched the app, the next step is to access your worksheet. This is your data's playground, where you can manipulate and arrange it to match your investigative needs. Now, it's time to select the worksheets you want to filter. Remember, these are the sheets from which the data will be drawn for your dashboard. Choose them carefully to ensure they align with your objectives. With your sheets selected, it's crucial to create a dashboard for these sheets. Dashboards offer a comprehensive view of multiple pieces of data simultaneously, making them key to robust data analysis. Once your dashboard is set up, head back to one of your worksheets. This is where you'll establish the filter that will span across sheets in your dashboard. You need to select the dimension you wish to use as a filter and drag it to the filters field within the worksheet. Here, you should select all available options and then click OK. This action ensures that the selected dimension can interact with multiple data points across your sheets. The next part involves clicking on the drop-down arrow in the Filters pane, which is a small but mighty button in your Tableau toolbox. Choose Apply to Worksheets from the menu and select All using this data source. This step is essential as it enables the filter to be applied across every related sheet using the same data source. Returning to the dashboard, click on one of the sheets visible. Again, hit the drop-down arrow, then navigate to Filters and select the filter you just created. By doing so, this filter will successfully integrate into your dashboard's framework, providing you with a dynamic and interactive view of your data. Finally, you have the option to customize this filter as needed. Customization allows you to fine-tune your filter settings so that they better align with your specific data analysis goals. Use this opportunity to tweak and adjust until your dashboard performs exactly as desired. And there you have it. A complete walkthrough on setting up filters across sheets in a Tableau dashboard. By following these steps, you can enhance your data presentations and ensure a comprehensive and interactive viewing experience for yourself and others. Feel free to rewatch any part of this video to ensure full understanding. Thanks for joining me, and happy data visualizing.